In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion weight tracker for weight gain and loss. We'll pull a ready-made template from the Notion marketplace and tailor it so you can track your progress clearly, whether you're aiming to gain or lose weight. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left corner. Click the small drop-down arrow there to expand the main sidebar. This reveals quick access to key areas in your workspace and, most importantly for us, the templates section. Next, click on Templates. This opens Notion's gallery so you can browse starter pages and databases. You'll see categories and examples, but we want access to the broader catalog, which includes community and official options. From here, click on Templates again to jump into the full marketplace experience. This is where you'll find a wider range of trackers and health-related setups, often with helpful properties, formulas, and views already configured. Once you're on the marketplace page, go to the search bar and type weight tracker. Give it a second to load results. You'll see different styles. Some focus on simple daily entries. Others include charts, goals, and trends. Skim the previews and descriptions. Look for features that match your routine, like units you prefer, weekly or monthly summaries, or fields for goals and notes. When you find a weight tracker template that looks right for you, select the template. Open the preview to confirm what's included. Make sure it has the core elements you need: a date field for each weigh-in, a number field for your weight, and any optional properties like target weight, body measurements, or comments. Now, click Add. Choose the workspace and location where you want the template to live. Notion will duplicate the page for you, and it should appear in your sidebar. Give it a moment to finish setting up if the template includes linked databases or charts. With the template added, it's time to edit it so it fits you. Rename the page to something meaningful, then open the database and check each property. Confirm the date property is set correctly and adjust the weight property to your preferred unit. If there's a goal or target field, set a realistic starting goal. Review any formulas like change since last entry to ensure they reflect your unit system. Tidy the views so they match how you like to see data. Maybe a simple table for daily entries and a summary view for weekly averages. Remove any sample entries so your averages and charts start clean. Consider adding a notes field for context, such as time of day or hydration level, to keep your measurements consistent. That's it. Your Notion weight tracker is ready to support steady, measurable progress.